Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mariiiii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I just came back from Target and picked up all of these goodies because I'm gonna be attempting to make the famous hot chocolate bombs. So I'm pretty sure everyone has seen these all over TikTok, all over Instagram. These hot chocolate bombs blew up. So if you are interested to see how I attempt to make these hot chocolate bombs, because I don't know if they're gonna work out, but I'm gonna try, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Okay guys, so this is my first ever like baking or cooking, whatever type of video you want to call it, and I'm a little nervous. So I kind of just went on YouTube and I also searched like on someone's blog on what to get. So I picked up two types of hot chocolate. I got the Swiss Miss peppermint and regular milk chocolate mix. And then I got some candy canes that I plan on like crushing and then putting them on top of the hot chocolate bomb. And then I got some Ghirardelli chocolate chips to melt to make the hot chocolate bomb. And then I have some mini marshmallows. And then I also picked up this cute little box just to put them in after. This is me just being extra for the gram. So I got this from Michael's. And then the main part, which is the hot chocolate bomb silicone mold, I had to buy on Walmart because I could not find anywhere. And I think these are like mini bombs, which is fine because other ones are like bigger, but this will do. And this was $8, so it's gonna look like this. It took about like a week and a half to get here, so I'm just gonna attempt to make it and hope it comes out good. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pretty much take my chocolate chips and put them into the bowl so that I could warm them up to melt. What is on here? The chocolate chips I picked up were Ghirardelli because my cousin makes chocolate dipped strawberries, and the chocolate she uses is always so good. Like it doesn't taste like a fake like just frosting or like what's it called, like other candy melts. So I got the white chocolate Ghirardelli one, and then I also got the semi-sweet. What? No, I thought they were milk chocolate. I got semi-sweet, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is pour some into the bowl. I don't know how much I'm supposed to put. Should I have gotten minis? Let's just hope for the best. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the white chocolate chips in here. So I realized that these regular chocolate chips are a lot bigger than the white chocolate, so it might take a little more time to melt. But we'll see. So I'm gonna throw this into the microwave and melt them real quick. All right, so I went ahead and melted the white chocolate. This looks so yummy. I also read something where it said like don't melt the chocolate too much because then when you put it on the mold, like it's just gonna slide if it's too hot. And then I have the this bowl is hot, and then I have the regular chocolate in this one. So I went ahead and rinsed the half circle mold or half sphere, and I'm pretty much just gonna put the chocolate into the mold. When I read the blog that I saw, it said not to melt the chocolate too much because if it's too hot, it's not really gonna stay on the sides. So it's kind of thick, but it's not like too watery either. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the chocolate in. I'm gonna do a mixture of white chocolate and the regular chocolate. I also don't want it to be too thick or too thin. My cousin said not to make it too thin because if it's too thin, then the shell would just break off. They also said if you have like a pastry brush, it'd probably work better, but I have plastic spoons and that's what's gonna have to work. Now I'm gonna get some of the regular chocolate. If this works out, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna make these for like everyone. This is like a cute little gift idea to add in like with the regular gift, you know? Kind of working. Okay, I'm gonna do another white chocolate one because I prefer white chocolate over regular chocolate. I feel like the hardest part is gonna be taking them out of the mold because I don't want it to crack. All right guys, so I think it looks pretty good right now. I don't really want to lift it because it's kind of like in its mold. I'm gonna add a little more to this one on the edges because I'm just worried about the edges part. because it's kind of just all starting to fall down. All right, so now it says pop the molds into the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes to set. So I'm gonna put them in for 10 minutes and then clean this up real quick. All right, so I went ahead and put the white chocolate to the side. I'm gonna put a timer for 10 minutes.
Your timer is set for 10 minutes.
Okay, so I do want to put some like broken candy canes on top of the hot chocolate bomb. So I got these little mini ones from Target. I'm just gonna grab probably like 3 and then break them up and put them in this little mixing bowl. Break. Ow. I have this perfume bottle, so I'm gonna use this to break it. Now it's all crushed. All right, so now I'm pretty much gonna wait, so I'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go and take them out and see if they're ready. All right, so they are definitely ready. I realized they are kind of filled up a lot, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit a lot of the hot chocolate in it, because like the white one, it's like literally half filled, if that makes sense, but I gotta pray. So I'm gonna take one of the peppermint ones, or actually we'll do 2 peppermint and 1 regular. So yeah, I have the hot chocolate packets and I have marshmallows here. And I don't even think I'm gonna be able to fit all of it, but it's okay. So let's do some peppermint. Oh wait, let me take the molds out first. So let's take these molds out. Oh my God, you guys see that? Okay, I'm excited for this. Please don't break on me. If it breaks, I'm gonna cry. Gotta be careful. Take the white chocolate out. Perfect. Hell yes, this is, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, put some of the, wait, let me make sure I'm doing this right before I keep going. Okay, I need to melt the edges first actually, so 1 second. All right, so I went ahead and warmed up a plate. I don't even know if it's gonna be hot enough. Oh, it is. It is. Wow, they literally just melt them like so it's like perfectly molded instead of having like bumpy layers. All right, so now they have perfectly rounded edges. All right, so now I'm gonna pretty much just put some hot chocolate inside of the ball. Wait a minute, I just realized I still need that plate. I'm also gonna sprinkle some candy cane inside. Okay, so I actually still needed that plate, so I warmed it up a little more. I'm gonna take the other edge, melt it again, and then put it on top to close it. How cute is this? Okay, we're gonna let that sit there and then continue to the white chocolate ones. So I just realized I put milk chocolate into that one, so I'm gonna put some peppermint into this side. And then melt the end again. And then do the same thing to the other one, melt the end so it's a little sticky, so it can act like glue. How cute is that? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and melt some more chocolate to put a little like swirl on top, you know? So I went ahead and warmed up the milk chocolate and the white chocolate again, just to give it some like swirls on top to make it look cute, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just like pick it up and swirl on top and just swirl it. Come on. That was too much. Oh my God, that was way too much. Okay, this is supposed to look pretty. What is going on here? That looks so ugly. Oh my God. Whatever. I just want a cute little swirl moment, you know? That's a big goal. I'm gonna put some crushed candy canes. Maybe that'll make it look better. Hopefully. I hella messed this up. Oh my God. A for effort, I should say. So now I'm gonna attempt and make it look cute in this little box. My design's terrible, whatever. It's just gonna melt anyways. So I got this cute little Merry Christmas box from Michael's for like $2. And I got these little cupcake holders for $2.99 at Michael's, I believe. And I'm just gonna put them inside of here to make it look cute and festive. Let me give you guys a little close-up. All right, guys, so my little decoration part is very ugly, but I'm just so happy that it even came out as like the hot chocolate bomb in general. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside some milk and hope for the best. So I went ahead and got some steamed milk in my cute little Christmas mug, and now to attempt to see if these work. So I'm gonna record from this angle too so we can see how it looks because I'm super excited. Let's see. So I think I'm gonna grab this white hot chocolate bomb right here and just drop it in. The milk is pretty hot, so it should work. Here we go. Let's see. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, it popped. Oh my gosh. Let me get a spoon. That's so cool. You guys, I didn't think I was gonna be able to do this, to be honest. Let me mix it up. And even the hot chocolate, even the melted white chocolate on the bottom, so bomb. And then let's give her a little taste test. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Get some marshmallows. Y'all, I did that. Oh my god. All right guys, so that is all for my hot chocolate bomb, I guess you can say tutorial trial, but it's not an error. I accomplished this hot chocolate, I was gonna say bath bomb, hot chocolate bomb, and I highly recommend you guys should try it because I was a little iffy. I was like, I don't know if I can do it. It looks a little difficult, too good to be true. But no, it's honestly so easy. I'll have everything linked down below for you, like where I got the mold and all the ingredients that I use. So yeah, I highly suggest you guys try to make this hot chocolate bomb yourself. If you do, leave a comment down below or tag me if it worked. I am intrigued. I want to see how it turns out for you guys. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Stay blooming. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.